we really don't do lawns. So the landscape industry is all about cutting the lawns before they get too long. Gotta get there, gotta get it done. Clients need it done now. So they show up, big noisy two-stroke mower polluting, get out all the blowers and the mowers and go to the next house. And that's landscape companies. They mow. They should be called They should be called lawnscapers. Lawns. So we're the only exclusive solution for your yard, and it's called an IT Landscape. The product IT Landscapes makes people feel better because there's nobody serving the yards. There's lots of people serving the lawns, the turf grass lawns that are expensive and need a lot of work now on a weekly basis. They gotta get mowed. But we're just gonna take care of the plants in a cleanup and then go by and hoe and take care of the weeds, which nobody else is doing. And then the clients don't always have to be sitting in their house thinking they should be out working on their yard. Their plants are gonna be healthy. We're gonna come by every week and take care of the weeding, and then it's gonna be off their to-do list. Their yard is gonna be solved, and they're not gonna be thinking they should be out there doing yard work every weekend. We're about $25 an hour for low-skill yard work labor. It's not $300 or $400 like the lawnscapers charge for mowing mostly. We'll take care of your whole yard. You won't have any weeds. Just fill out the quiz. You find out you're in our service areas, and then you find out you're one of those few people who de-emphasizes the lawn and the grass and wants the plants taken care of and the weeds, no weeds all the time. That's an IT Landscape.